Got a bad Google review? That's hurting your business? Or maybe you left a review before and now want to take it down? Either way, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you every single way to remove a Google review, step by step. We're covering 5 methods today. 2 are for regular users who want to delete a review they left, and 3 are for business owners dealing with bad reviews from customers. Let's get into it. Before we start, here's something important you need to know. If someone else left a review about your business, you cannot just delete it yourself. Google doesn't give business owners that power. But don't worry, you still have options.
You can report it to Google, reply to it publicly, or reach out to the person directly. I'll cover all of that. But first, let's look at how to delete a review that you left.
Okay, so the first way, and this is for anyone who wants to remove a review they personally left on Google Maps. Here are the steps. First, open Google Maps on your phone or computer. At the top left, click the hamburger icon. That's the 3 horizontal lines. From the menu that opens, click Your Contributions. Then select Reviews to see all the reviews you've left. Find the review you want to delete and tap on it. Click the 3 dots next to it, then select Delete Review. And that's it, the review is gone. Simple as that.
Now here's the second way to delete a review you left, and this one is slightly different. Instead of going through Google Maps, you go directly to the business page. Here's how. First, go to Google and search for the name of the business you reviewed. Then, on their Google business profile, click on the Reviews section. Now scroll through the reviews and find the one you added. Finally, click the 3 dots next to your review. Now select Delete Review option.
Okay, now this part is for business owners. If someone left a bad review on your business listing, here's what you can do. You can report the review to Google. If the review breaks Google's rules, Google will step in and remove it. Here's how to report it. First, go to your Google business profile. You can find it by searching your business name on Google. Then, find the review you want to report. Now click the Report Review icon next to it. You'll be asked, why are you reporting this review? Choose the reason that fits. Here are the reasons you can choose from. Off-topic means the review has nothing to do with an experience at this business. Spam means the review is written by a bot, a fake account, or contains ads or promotions. Conflict of interest means the review is left by someone connected to the business or a competitor. Profanity means the review contains swear words, sexual language, graphic violence, or illegal content. Bullying or harassment means the review personally attacks a specific person. Discrimination or hate speech means reviewer used harmful language targeting someone based on their identity. Personal information means the review shares private details like someone's address or phone number. Pick the reason that matches best, then click Send Report. After that, you'll see a message telling you that Google will notify you by email once your report has been looked at. This can take up to 3 working days. If the review really does break Google's rules, they'll take it down. If it doesn't, it'll stay up. But at least you tried the right way. Now, what if Google doesn't remove it? That's where this next method comes in, and honestly, this one is more powerful than most people think. You can reply to the review publicly. Here's the thing. When a potential customer reads a bad review about your business, they're also going to read your reply. A calm, professional reply shows them that you care about your customers and that you take problems seriously. That can actually help your reputation, even with the bad review still there. Here's how to reply. First, go to your Google business profile by searching your business name on Google. Then, find the review you want to respond to. Now, click Reply under the review. Keep your reply short, calm, and professional. Don't argue. Don't get defensive. Just show that you care and that you're willing to fix things. Here's an example reply. Hi, thank you for your feedback. We're sorry to hear about your experience. Please reach out to us so we can make this right. That's it. Short, polite, to the point. So, why should we remove negative reviews? Let's look at the reasons you might want to remove a negative review. The review is a fake, spam, or from a competitor trying to hurt you.
The review contains false information that could genuinely mislead customers. The review violates Google's policies such as hate speech,
personal attacks, irrelevant content. The review is damaging your star rating and directly costing you leads and sales.
So there you have it. Google is not going to remove a review just because you don't like it. It has to break their rules. That's just how the system works, and honestly, that's fair. But you're not powerless. You can report it, reply to it, or reach out to the person directly. And if none of that works, just go get more good reviews. One bad review gets lost in a sea of 5-star ones. Your reputation is built over time. One angry customer doesn't get to decide it. If this video helped you, hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys.